Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about set and zip function in a Python. So let's start with the set first. So what is set function? Set function is an unordered collection and which is used to remove a duplicate element and which is also doesn't allow to add duplicate element. So let's see the example of set function. So I have one variable called x and I am assigning the set function to it and I am passing the argument as a list. So set function will taking the argument as the iteratable. Okay, so this is our iterator list and I am adding the value and which is also containing the duplicate element, and set function will return us the set object. Let's print this and see what will be the output. So as you can see, output is printed in curly braces 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So set is unordered and does not allow the duplicate, and it will remove the duplicate from the iterator and return us the result. So this is how set is working. And if I want to add new element into this set function, then I can use the add method x dot add. Then it will add the new element to it like this. And if I am adding the element which are already present in the list, then it will not add that value into the list. Okay, and if you want to convert this into list, then you can use the list typecasting to convert this set object into the list. So this is how you can use the set function to remove the duplicate. And another one is frozen set. Frozen set is immutable object, so you cannot add the new item to the frozen set, and otherwise frozen set is same as the set function. You can use the frozen set, and frozen set is also returning us the frozen set object. It is also unordered and remove the duplicates. As you can see, frozen set object we have got from this frozen set function, and now we are converting that object into the list, so we will get the output as the list. So this is how you can use the set and frozen set. Next one is zip function. Zip function is basically take the iterator as a arguments, multiple iterator as a argument, and which combine the first element of each iterator, and then it will combine second elements of each iterator. Okay, and so on. So let's take example so you can understand clearly. If I have one iterator list, and zip will always return us the list of tuple if your iterator is tuple, and if your iterator which you are passing to the zip function is tuple, then you will get the result as a tuple of tuple. And I am passing the iterator as a list to the zip function, so I will get the list of tuple. So let's take example and look the output how it is look like. B 5 6 7. So whenever I am passing this two iterator to the zip function, then it will combine the first element of this two iterator, then second element of this two iterator, and the third element of the two iterator, and it will return as the list. Let's print this zip a comma b. So what will be the output for this zip function? So this zip function will return as the zip object, and if we want to convert this into the iterator, then we can convert it using list and tuple. So that is as per your requirement. So I have converted it into the list. So it is giving me a list of tuple. So zip have combined the first element of each iterator into the tuple and second element of each iterator into the tuple and third element of each iterator into the tuple. So this is how you can use the zip function to combine the element of iterator. And what if I am not, if my list length is 2 and another list length is 3, then it will return us the list which having the minimum length, like this. So it will combine only the first element of both the iterator and second element of both the iterator. It will not combine the third element of iterator because first list does not have that the element, third element. So using zip you can combine the element of each iterator, and this zip function will return us the zip object and we can convert it into the list, or we can convert it into the tuple as per our requirement. Okay, and if you are converting into the tuple, then it will return you the result as the tuple. So I hope you have understood the concept of zip function and set function and frozen set. Thank you, see you in the next video.